Are you ready? Get set. Let me go with this one. This is the Sandals Fold It die set. It comes with a handy dandy postcard with some ideas, lots more ideas on our website. And it also comes with a photopolymer stamp set. Photopolymer, not acrylic. Photopolymer. If you know, you know. You're flipping awesome. Step into sunshine and fun. Kick off your shoes and relax. Life's a beach. Shell yeah. It's summer. Sand plus sun equal fun. Now, I will be honest. Summer is my favorite summer is my favorite season because I'm usually not cold in the summer. I'm always cold. I'm always cold. But I'm so excited about this. Sandal, we call these flip-flops. Some people call them sandals, some people call them flip-flops. It really just depends on, like where you are in the United States or anywhere. But what I did with these when I designed them, and I always like to tell you the behind the scenes stuff because just so you know, I don't know if you know this. I know my regular peeps, my lifers know this, but I'm the end user. I'm a card maker. Guilty. But I'm also the designer. I design everything at the Stamps of Life. So if you see something, there is a reason behind the madness, and I have a reason. So you can always ask, like, why did you do that? Because I'm the one that designed it. So I'm guilty as charged, and I always have like a reason, usually have a reason for everything. But on this one, what I did was I included extra little pieces so you could decorate your flip-flop. So look at how cute little a little sea star, which is so fun. But look at how cute that is. So you have a heart, a flower, a shell, and a sea star. You also get the stamps that match. And let's look at some of the samples because, and I didn't even show you these. So look how fat these are, you guys. They're so thick. Let me open them. Where is it? Let's see, ready? These have little pearls on them. They're so fun. So you could also decorate your flip-flops with these cute little flowers. So they're up to 3 layers on each one. They're paper, they're cardstock stickers, so you can see they're really nice. And you are getting, how many sheets do you, what in the world? You get 5 sheets of these. So you're going to have these for a while, which is good. That is very good news, right? So let's look at some of the samples so you can get an idea of how awesome this die set is. Again, this is the exact same way as the one I just showed you. Oh, this is a fun one because watch this. This is also a stand-up. We have a die that makes this. So this is a stand-up. Oh, let me go to this one. Look how cute that is. Look at that. Is that just like stinking adorable or what? Look at that. I just love that. It's on a stand-up card. Of course, it folds flat for mailing, but it is so cute. Can you fix my my notes up there? I can't see. So there we go. We have our cute little flip-flops on there. So that is a stand-up card. Or you could put them on a slimline. This is a mini slimline card. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's summer. Yay, it's summer. Look at all those cute little flowers on there. Or you could just use parts of the sandals and put them off to the side on a 5x7 card. Isn't that cute and fun? Look how cute that is. Step into sunshine and fun. I love that. Now, there's also this cute one. So many different ideas, you guys. Here, and my design team's amazing. Look, this is a little mini album. Can you imagine giving this to some friends that you're going to see this summer? It's summer 2026. And they could put their own photos on here. Look how cute this is. Isn't that adorable? So simple, too. It's just cardstock. It's our pattern cardstock. And look how cute that is. You can add your own little pictures to it. It has just a little ring on it with ribbons. So adorable. So this is the Sandals, also known as flip-flops. Fold it. Item number 925012. I love it. Now, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a like, and a share. And also, please follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already. That is the Sandals, aka flip-flops. I don't know. Do you guys call them flip-flops or sandals? I usually say, well, I say both, actually. That's kind of weird. I say both. Moving on, we are going to, okay, this one. So remember, usually you work about 9 months in advance. So I designed this one 9 months ago, roughly, and actually probably 10 months. But I designed it, and I try not to really look at it too much once I've approved all the dies or the whole kit, because I get too excited and I want to play with it, but I don't like to play with items, or I don't like to create with items you can't buy yet, because I want to be as excited as you are when you first see it. So I kind of just put it off to the side. So